Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, it's me again, back with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unhide a Pinterest. Now let's make sure that the Pinterest app is installed in your mobile phone. So you just need to type down Pinterest, and as what you can see there, it is installed on my mobile phone. So let us open it. After that one, it will take you to the main page of the Pinterest application. Now, how are we going to unhide a Pinterest? So first, you are going to click the three dots on the lower portion of the picture. Click on Hide Pin. And then just give some reasons. Click anything there. And there you go, you can see. Okay, we'll try and show you fewer pins like this. So now, how are you going to unpin it? Just click undo. And there you go.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.